Hello friends, welcome to Kadhai Grill. Today I will show you how to make Malai Tangdi Kebab, which is a delicious preparation of grilled chicken drumsticks marinated in a creamy mixture of yogurt and cashew paste. Like many of the other tandoori items, I like to make a two-step marination process. I have removed the skin of the drumsticks and also put some gashes so that the marinade is well infused into the meat. After applying the first marinade, cover it and keep it aside for 15 minutes while we make the second marinade. If you wish, you can use heavy cream instead of the cashew paste. I like cashew paste. Apply the second marinade to the chicken and make sure all the pieces are well coated. Move the chicken to a Ziploc bag and try removing all the air out of the Ziploc. This will make the meat absorb the marinade flavors properly. I prefer letting the chicken marinate at least overnight, but if you're in a hurry, you can start grilling them after 2 to 4 hours. I prefer cooking the chicken on indirect heat because that resolves the problem of having burnt chicken on the outside and undercooked inside. Keep basting the chicken with oil or butter, which keeps the chicken juicy and moist. After about 15 minutes of cooking, I apply some remaining marinade so that it becomes well coated again. After another 15 to 20 minutes, you'll see that the chicken is well cooked. At this time, move the chicken over direct heat so that it gets the nice char on the outside, which we all crave for in any grilled or tandoori dish. Thanks for watching my video. Please click on like and please subscribe to my channel.